Hey guys, just got a great workout in. Just going on a little walk. Just want to be positive, man. If I can bring any value to anyone's life, let's go. I'm still working on my brand, working on my business. Been some trials and tribulations this year, man, but noticed I started making some money on affiliate marketing. So I just want to share with you guys some information. I built a website. It's a free website, free course. If you guys are interested in learning about affiliate marketing, how to get started, making money through Clickbank, ClickFunnels, a whole bunch of other things. And I wish I had a place just to get started instead of just going through random YouTube videos and kind of finding this information and that information from different mentors and stuff like that and different influencers. But if you guys want to go ahead and go to my website, it's free, complimentary, sign up for free. It's www.myfirstonlinesale.com, and it's just sign up with your email and sign up with your email and get started for free. Literally just put in your email and step-by-step instructions from someone I learned from, and it's my course, but he does a little bit of the training as well. But if you guys have any questions, sign up. It's free. Get started. Start learning stuff, guys. It's free knowledge, information. If you don't want to go on my thing, then go to YouTube. Start researching things and make money on your own, right? I don't care if you make 100,000. I don't care if you make 200,000 a year. How do you make $1 million? How do you make 2 million? How do you make 20 million? If you want to set yourself a bar of I made 150,000 last year, I'm the shit, I'm the man. What if you lose it next year? Are you still the man? What happens if you can't make those payments for that Mercedes anymore? So let's get it. Like 2020, I don't care about New Year's resolutions. I'm talking about lifestyle resolutions. Not even resolutions, lifestyle goals, right? If you're telling me you're going to go to the cycle in the gym now, but you didn't go to the gym yesterday, then you ain't staying there, man. So stay focused. Free course, www.myfirstonlinesale.com. Appreciate you guys checking out this video. Link is on the description below. Take action and let's get it.